thousand times before, been to the wall, and always there's somewhere to turn. There was always more to learn. We've reached the end, and almost closed the door that someone would bend. I never can remember who. All I know is that we found the strength to make it through. Love always finds a way when the clouds are snow. Silver lining, she comes through shining. Love always seeks the light through the darkest night. In her small ways, love always finds a way. Holding your knee after the storm had passed, it becomes clear when all our tears are finally dried, that no matter how we fools may try to turn the tide, love always finds a way when the clouds are snow. Silver lining, she comes through shining. Love always seeks the light through the darkest night. In her small ways, love always finds a way. And in these moments when the magic seems to fade, we must remember then that's the time to keep on believing and not be afraid. We can trust in what we really feel. The two of us can hold tomorrow in your hand. All it takes is just a faith to truly understand. The love always finds a way when the clouds are snow. Silver lining, she comes to shining. Love always seeks the light through the darkest night. In her small ways, love always finds a way. Gotta find a way. Whoa, gotta find a way. But I never saw you before, or place your hands holding mine. Now I wonder how I could have been so blind. For the first time I am looking in your eyes. For the first time I'm seeing who you are. I can't believe how much I see when you're looking back the first time. Can this be real? Can this be true? I'm not a person I was this morning, and are you the same you? It's all so strange. How can it be? All alone this love was right in front of me. For the first time I am looking in your eyes. For the first time I'm seeing who you are. I can't believe how much I see when you're looking back at me. Now I understand what love is like. For the first time. Such a long time ago, I have given up on finding this emotion and love again. But you live with me now. Yes, I found you somehow, and I'll never be so sure, so sure. For the first time I am looking in your eyes. For the first time I'm seeing who you are. I can't believe how much I see when you're looking back at me. Now I understand